Why do you need a brand? If you're a solopreneur, if you're a small business, why on earth would you need a brand? Well, I want to answer that question in this video with a couple of important points that I don't know, when you're starting out, maybe you're not thinking about. And if we haven't met before, my name is Gwyneth, and I specialize in the area of helping fabulous women entrepreneurs just like you to acknowledge and charge what you are worth. And I'm also going to help you package up your expertise into services so that you are strengthening your brand, so that people understand what your niche is, using systems and processes in your business to give you the freedom that you probably signed up for when you decided to start up on your own or in your business. So why do you really need a brand? Well, we judge each other very, very quickly. Before you looked at this video, you will have already thought something or felt something, potentially about the colors I use, potentially about, the type of thumbnail I use for a video, the accompanying text, the title. All of those things, they go to building your brand, and they go to I don't want to say convincing, but encouraging people to either watch a video or not. Your personal brand and your business brand, when you are a small business owner, if you are a sole trader, those two are exactly the same thing. They are so closely linked. There is no way that you can be somebody completely different when you shut down your laptop at the end of the day to when you are doing videos, social posts, social media, for example. So think about that. Your values, your enthusiasm, your passion, everything that you put into your business every day, that is who you are. It's not about the big corporations. It's not about, paying thousands of dollars, euros or pounds on your branding. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the fact that your business is you. And you need to recognize that, like I said, people will judge you very, very quickly based upon how you are showing up. So that's the first reason you need a brand, is because you've got one anyway. So you might as well work with it to build your brand, to build your business. Because the second reason that you need a brand is to help you focus, particularly if you are on your own. And we know how lonely the entrepreneurial journey can be. But if you are working on your own as a sole trader or in a small business, it's very easy to get distracted by potentially new ideas, new things. Will people want this? And your brand will help you to focus. So for example, a big part of my brand is pink. I know that if people don't like pink, they're not going to look at my videos probably. B, if they do actually get to my website, they're probably not going to want to work with me if they don't like pink, like I said, because pink is everywhere. Pink, gold and red, those are my colors, and it's in absolutely everything I do, right across the board, every single social media post, absolutely everything. Now what this does is it allows me to focus on my business. But then the third point is of all this is that you are increasing then your brand recognition. So number 3, why do you need a brand? When you are focused, when you recognize that your personal values, enthusiasm, passion is already there, number 3 is going to be that you are building your brand recognition, which builds trust, which grows your business, which also, and this is brilliant in my experience, this has been the best thing, is you begin to get referrals. So you're getting business without even trying, without spending any money on advertising, without putting hundreds of posts out there, because people will begin to remember who you are and what you do. And then when somebody says, hey, I really need to work about some on my brand, for example, it's like, oh gosh, yes, actually, I just saw a video, go and check this out. Or I've just been in touch with somebody myself, why don't you go and check them out? So number 1, you already have a brand, whether you like it or not. So why not use it to your advantage? Number 2, working on your brand will actually help you to focus on your business growth, which in turn brings brand recognition. So that number 3, you're getting new clients, you're building trust, you're getting referrals, and everything's hunky-dory, basically. It's a very short video there, but don't underestimate the power of your brand. Regardless of whether you think you're a personal brand, whether you're a business brand, whether you think you don't need a brand, you do need it. So use it. in between times, until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fabulous. Loads of love and bye for now.